Hello everybody and welcome to NCAA Blacktop action. We got the second round of the point guard brackets. We have Lightning McBean taking on Alessandro Carter, and McBean is the first on the board. Alessandro Carter, chance to answer. Massive size advantage, going straight to that post. Now backing up, faced up. Maybe gonna try to beat him off the dribble. Off the glass and in. If you are unfamiliar, the rules are it is 1s and 2s, and it is first to 11, win by 2. You have a long shot clock, 40 seconds. Lightning McBean is being smart and trying to utilize it, trying to find the shot that they need. That shot is up, no good. Carter. Backing down McBean. Trying to outstrength him. The turnaround jumper, no good. McBean doesn't have super long arms and doesn't have a whole lot of height, but still able to contest those shots. And tipped up in the air by Carter. Alessandro going to the post on the left side now. Having trouble getting by McBean. No trouble there as I say that, going in for the two-handed dunk, beat him off the dribble. McBean. McBean and Carter both love to finish at the rim. And that jump shot is no good. Rebound Alessandro. Down, steps back, mid-range, rattles out, no good, rebound McBean. Now McBean going to the post, facing up, that gets blocked. That shot is up, and that is no good. Backing down McBean. A step back, no good, rebound Carter. Puts it back up and in. 3-1 lead, McBean needs to find some offense. Trying to utilize those quick dribble moves, can't get the shot to go in. Ice cold now while Carter is hot. Momentum firmly in Alessandro's corner. Alessandro finishes there. Carter, a player who has been in talks for both MVP and Defensive Player of the Year throughout the entire season. Carter steals it and lays it in. McBean struggling very mightily right now. And no good. Tried to beat him off the jab step. Gets by McBean, puts it down with two hands. And Alessandro Carter is dominating right now. McBean fires up the mid-range shot after losing control of it. Alessandro grabs the rebound, stays in bound, going straight to the rim, lays it up and in. Carter 4 points away from moving on to the semifinals. There's the three from McBean, sinks it. And that's what'll get you back into a game. Not respecting the three after doing nothing but drive so far. Smart move from Lightning McBean. A couple more of those in there, right back in this game. And there's the floater from Carter to go in. McBean back to the arc. Beats him, and Alessandro reached, and Lightning teached. That reach-in gave Lightning a quick blow-by. Carter trying to back him down now. And there's the jumper, and that's good. Not able to contest the shot very well. McBean now. Fakes left, goes right, through the contact, puts that up and in. McBean fighting back to try to make this a game. Alessandro trying to finish it with only 2 points left until he wins. He can win with a 3 or 2 more ones. There's the mid-range, no foul. Rebound Carter. Carter to his right side, lays it in off the glass. If it wasn't already, it is a must-score possession now for McBean. Probably has to shoot a 3 here. At this point, any points are good points. Gets by him, lays it in. McBean needs to play defense here. If Carter scores, he moves on to the semifinals. Carter driving for the game, lays it in, goes on to the semifinals. Alessandro Carter advances. Hope you guys had fun. I did. This has been Lions signing off.